In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a password in CoinMarketCap. Ensuring your account security is crucial, especially when dealing with important financial data and cryptocurrency information, and setting a strong password is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to protect your online presence. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to secure your CoinMarketCap account with a password. Let's start. First, you'll want to locate and click on the profile icon. You'll find it conveniently placed in the upper right corner of the CoinMarketCap homepage. This icon is your portal to personalizing and managing your account settings. Once you're there, look for and click on the Settings option. This step serves as a gateway to a range of customization options and is the key to accessing the area where you can manage your account security. Now that you're in the settings menu, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the account security section. This is the dedicated area where you can oversee and adjust various aspects of your account's protection. Once you've clicked on account security, you're getting closer to setting that all-important password. Within the account security options, you'll see a choice labeled Set Password. Clicking on this will bring up the required tools to establish a password, providing a layer of security tailored to your own specifications. It's important to take a moment here to think about a password that's both memorable and secure. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong password. You want something that isn't easily guessable but is still easy enough for you to remember without needing to write it down. Now that you've clicked on Set Password, you will be faced with on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through the final steps of setting up your password. These instructions will ensure that the password meets the necessary criteria for security and help you finalize the process. Just follow these prompts closely and enter your new password where asked. And there you have it. You've successfully set a password on CoinMarketCap, enhancing your account security in just a few straightforward steps. Remember, it's always wise to update your passwords periodically and ensure that they're unique to each of your accounts, particularly those dealing with financial or personal information. Thanks for watching, and now you're all set to enjoy a safer experience on CoinMarketCap.